Welcome back, everyone. With Mother's Day being right around the corner, we all know what mom wants, and that is a Bahama Mama mimosa. We're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. Ooh, rip it everywhere. Then 1 full ounce of pineapple juice. 1/2 ounce of coconut rum. If I can get it to come out. Bottle's too big for its own good. Then 1/2 ounce of white rum, or maybe a little more, because that's just what came out. All right, now that we have all of those ingredients in our shaker tin, we're going to add ice to it. And this one we don't have to shake quite as long, so we're going to sit around 15 to 12 seconds for shaking on this one. All right, so we used fresh juice, so we're going to use our hawthorn and our mesh strainer for this one. And it's going to go right into our champagne flute. I will say this one tends to be a little bit more pulpy because of the orange juice in there. Even if you strain your orange juice, it tends to just have a ridiculous amount of pulp to it. Plus you add in the pineapple, so you are going to have to tap this one quite a bit just to get it to drain through that mesh strainer. But that's also a good sign because that means the mesh strainer is doing its job. Okay. All right, so now that we've got that all into our glass, we're going to top with approximately 3 to 4 ounces of chilled Prosecco. Now, this is one of those cocktails that you're going to have to kind of stand around and wait for a hot minute because of the bubbles. So you're going to have to refill a couple of times just to get it to the right level that you need it to be at. So to try to help the process along here, I'm just going to, I don't want you guys to have to sit here and watch paint dry. Or bubbles, bubble. Whatever we're going to go with.
The express defoamer.
The express defoamer. I'm not going to do the gross thing where I wipe my nose and then stick my finger in the glass. No, it works. I'm telling you.
What?
But it's because it's like the oils from your face. It like makes the bubbles. It's a whole thing. But it's gross because like that's nasty. You want somebody's nasty face oils in your cocktail? I think not, sir. Especially for Mother's Day. You do that to me on Mother's Day, you're going to have a really, really bad day. That's all I'm saying. So, oh, hush, dog. All right, so we're going to continue topping until we're at the desired level, which that's about where I want it to be at. Okay, so then we're going to use the back of the bar spoon. Go ahead and set it just right into your glass. So, and pour in just a little bit of grenadine just to give it that nice layered effect. You really don't need a lot. Just a tiny amount. And you're going to get that nice layered look. And then last but not least, she is not complete without a garnish. So I've got my, sit still. I've got my orange wheel and my maraschino cherry. And there we have our Bahama Mama mimosa. All right, I'm going to give this, now that I stuck my garnish in there. All right, I'm going to give this a nice taste here. Sorry, I got to take the garnish out. I know it was beautiful. Y'all saw it. Set that right there. Okay, now we're going to taste. Well, no, it's just for the layered effect. Doesn't have to be layered. Or doesn't have to be stirred. You're fine. See? Newbie behind the camera. Ooh, that's delicious. Straight up Bahama Mama, but as a mimosa. If you're not making this for your mom on Mother's Day, you're doing something wrong. That's all I'm saying. All right. As always, I'm going to rate it from 1 to 5, 5 being the best, but 1 being the least best. I'm not going to lie. I love me a mimosa, especially if it's nicely balanced. I'm going to go with a 5 out of 5 on this one. It is delicious. I'm definitely drinking this for Mother's Day when I'm not working, of course. But I hope you guys enjoy the cocktails. I hope you enjoy seeing my gorgeous face every day. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your rating is for this particular cocktail. And then I will see you at the next pour. Cheers.